What's up and welcome to Bansheeboat. This week's episode is 8 amazing ships. I've compiled this list especially for you. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Woo! Bansheeboating, baby!
Are you good?
Close. Bansheeboat for everything boating.
These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasure craft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always play safe on the water.
Number 1, cruise ships. And this is basically general for all cruise ships. Look at this thing. It's amazing. Slides, helicopter landing pad, massive pool, huge engines. And these ships just have some amazing amenities. Let me read you some of the amenities from this specific ship. The stunning atria that form the architectural heart of the luxury liner. These extend over 7 decks and house numerous restaurants, bars, and shops. The large theaters, each with 1,000 seats. Wait, large theaters with 1,000 seats? The White Mammoths feature pools, spas, gyms, basketball courts, golf driving nets, and running tracks. As soon as this COVID stuff dies down, I'm booking us a cruise pronto. Wow, this thing's got some serious power, coming in at 268 meters, so basically over a quarter of a kilometer long. It's got 14 decks and its top speed is 24 knots. This thing cruising at 24 knots, that's a massive boat to be cruising at 24 knots. 2,000 passengers capability, so you know you're always going to get a good seat at the movie theater because there's multiple 1,000 person theaters. So you know the engine generates 58,000 kilowatts. That is huge. And number 2 on the list, the destroyer. You know, if you haven't wanted to work in the Navy, you might now, after seeing the destructive powers of the destroyer. Check this out. Oh yeah, destroyer! Wow, look at these ones. They have that shape so they can be stealth destroyers. Now let that sink in. My personal favorite, the aircraft carrier. Anything that can have CF-18 jets land and take off on the surface of it is a pretty unreal boat to me. Look at all these jets. If that's not a display of extreme power, I don't know what is. The jet's taken right off. You can imagine just dropping down. You want to fly in? You want to land on this aircraft carrier? Check that out. Everyone hits that exact spot. They catch the cables. That's an amazing ship. Look at the size of those people. That's an amazing ship with a landing strip on it. If you've ordered anything from overseas or really, used anything at all from anywhere overseas, the chances of it getting here on a cargo ship are extremely likely. So anything from overseas, literally anything. And these things get huge. These things get big. Like I'm talking like really big. Like I'm talking like stories upon stories high. Like these things are, what are they? 12 feet high, 10 feet high at least. So this thing's a massive. Look at this. For perspective, look at this. If I was to be perspective, I'd be about right here. Can you see me down here? That's it. This is it. This is all I'd be. Like, these things are massive. Lord almighty, look at these things. You'd need to be so big. You get a lot done in one shipment, that's for sure. I had to put this one in there.
And liftoff.
It's the rocket ship. Let's just enjoy this for a moment here. Enjoy this extreme burning of fuel.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way.
This is the Offshore Rig / Super Duty crane. And this might be just without the derrick constructed as an offshore rig yet, or it could be just a giant crane for maneuvering massive marine applications. Whatever it is, they sometimes are anchored down to the ocean floor with massive anchors and are used to do massive things around the water. These things are incredibly huge, and either they have their own motors or you can tow them around with tugboats and they basically just float. Number 7 holds a special place in my heart. Well, of course, it's the automobile ferry. And I've had many great memories with these ferries over the years. And they are essential for us. From small to super commercial, these boats help us get from A to B easy and quickly, and with our vehicles as well. So you rock on, ferry. Hear ye, hear ye. Number 8 is the boat of all boats for the workmanship and powered solely by the wind. The pirate ship of the sailboat alike, in those times before engines.
Arr, I'm a pirate and I'll be taking this here lake as my own. And I'm a greedy pirate.
This is Bansheeboat, and today we're going on a rip.
Some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come, and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
Bansheeboat, baby!
Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.
Has anyone seen my blog anywhere?